Hi friends, today we're going to do an activity to see what you can remember. I have 4 toys in front of me, a green bear, a black bear, a green frog, and a blue bear. I'm going to hide my animals. I'm going to take one animal away and see if you can remember which one is gone. Ready? Do you know which animal is gone? Yell it out. If you said the black bear, you are right. Let's try it again. All right, which animal is gone? Did you say the green frog? If you did, you got it. Let's do it one more time. This one is a little bit trickier. This time I took away 2 animals. Do you know which ones I took away? One was right here. What was that animal? If you said the green bear, you're right. Which one was here? It's the green frog. Good job, friends. All right, which animals are gone this time? Again, I did 2 animals this time to make it extra tricky because you are extra smart. Did you say the green frog? You're right, the green frog is gone. And the blue bear, he's gone too. Good job, one last time. All right, friends, this one is super tricky. Can you remember all the animals? Which one was right here? Did you say the blue bear? Which one came next? It's the green frog. Well done. What one was here? The black bear. You got it. And right on the end? You're right, it's our green bear. Now we have all of our little animals back. Thanks for playing along. Bye-bye.